Hi everyone, in today's video you will find out how to make fake Telegram account. In some cases you may need the second account and there is nothing hard about creating it. I'll show you step by step. First of all we need Play Market and download from there an app. SMS Activate. So open it and type the name. SMS Activate. Well, here is this app. As you can see, it's already downloaded on my phone, so I just close it and open SMS Activate. Wait a bit. Well, for the first time when you open it, you should click on those three lines and sign up through the Google account, for example. Now we can see the list of services and choose Telegram here. Now we just need to choose any country, let's say Vietnam. We just need to buy the number, wait a little. Number is added. Copy it, open Telegram again, and paste it. After that, we'll have to wait for about 2 minutes. Here's our code. Just copy it and paste in Telegram. Well, here's our fake account. New anonymous Telegram account. Let me show you how you can change your name. Click on those three lines, then Settings, Edit Name, and instead of this one, let's type Telegram Help. Now we can use this account in your purposes. Thanks you guys for watching, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe.